Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the END mobile app works. END is a platform for discovering and buying high-end sneakers, clothing, and accessories from luxury and streetwear brands. The mobile app mirrors the web experience but adds convenience for on-the-go shopping. You can browse curated collections, enter sneaker raffles, and track orders right from your phone. Users can filter by brand, size, or category and get notified about new releases or restocks instantly. The app also integrates END launches, where you can participate in exclusive product draws. One major pro is the app's sleek and clean interface that feels premium and easy to navigate. It offers a wide range of popular and hard-to-find products and notifies users immediately for limited releases. END launches is also smoothly integrated, making it easy to join raffles. However, a con is that many raffles are still difficult to win, and the shipping fees can be expensive depending on your location. Also, the app may log users out unexpectedly at times, requiring relogin. Looking at real user reviews, many shoppers praise the app's layout and speed, especially when browsing collections or checking out. Several users mention enjoying how easy it is to manage raffle entries. However, others express frustration with rarely winning draws and occasional issues during payment processing or with delayed shipping updates. If you're into fashion and sneaker culture and want a convenient way to shop or join exclusive launches, the END app is worth a try. Just be prepared for competition when entering raffles and potential fees depending on your region. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.